There comes a time every single season where fall rolls around and you get to experience something new, even though you've experienced it once before. Sometimes you enjoy the colors of the fall foliage. Sometimes you just enjoy the crisp, cold air that hits your face. This year, it's no different, except you're just a little bit older. And honestly, it's almost better that way. Seeing the Hudson River from above at Mount Beacon's fire tower, walking the trails, seeing the golden sunlight reflect on the yellow, orange, and red trees, hearing the streams, feeling the water as it rushes through the cracks of the rock, seeing the top of the mountain, being there and just being in the moment is all you really need in life. Sometimes I wish I could do it every single day. I can walk this path and smell the crisp autumn air, enjoying the time outside and simply just being with nature. But it is understandable that we all have responsibilities. So what can we really do but to yearn for the next trip, to daydream, to plan, and to eventually make it out there for our own well-being. Hopefully, every one of you can make it outdoors, to reconnect with Mother Nature, to feel the dirt and the soil in your hands, and the rocks underneath your feet, and the warmth of the sun as you walk along the mountain's ridgeline. Hopefully, we will all be out there yet again.